Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily split and trim your videos on CapCut PC. So before the update, you can only split it like this. So it's just basically splitting your video into bits and bobs. But what would you okay, hold on. Let me think of that sentence that I'm gonna say real quick. But what if you want to delete it instantly? So you want to delete this part, but you don't want the hassle of splitting it and then pressing the clip and then deleting it. So you can actually just select this bit right here, which deletes to the right, and this one deletes to the left. It also has a shortcut. Can't really see it. I think it's Q and W. Oh, actually that's very convenient. So if you want to trim this part on the right, press the W button, and if you want to trim the one on the left, it's the Q. That's it. Super simple. It's just making editing way easier now. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!